Welcome back to the Red and Black Barbecue Shack. Tonight we are making what I call some triple honey ham steaks. We got playoff hockey on tonight, and we're gonna make some hearty ham steaks to go along with it. So let's get into this cook. So to make these triple honey, we got these honey ham steaks. We're gonna use some honey barbecue sauce as a binder, and then we're gonna put some apple and honey Traeger pork and poultry rub on there. Let's get our meat rubbed down. Now that we got our meat rubbed down and looking great, let's let that rub set in while we get our pit fired up. Boom. While we are waiting for the pit to warm up, I got these scalloped potatoes ready that I'm also going to cook on the pit. I know they might look super fancy, but they are literally just this box of cheesy scalloped potatoes that I threw in this cast iron pan with some sprinkled cheese on top. It's going to be delicious. And we got the Traeger cranking at 275. We got the hopper full of Bear Mountain barbecue pellets, the gourmet barbecue blend, and in the pit we have got our ham and our potatoes. They're looking great on there. We're gonna shut that, go watch the Canes game, and check back in about a half hour. Sounds good. An hour into this cook, and we are looking fantastic. We got some cheese bubbling action going, and it should be done soon. It's been about another 15 minutes. The cheese is looking bubbly and crispy. Those hams are looking nice, and I'm saying that we are done. I'm pulling it. Well, there you go. That's some triple honey ham and cheesy scalloped potatoes all cooked on my barbecue pit. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Deuces.